Morning Platinum customers. This is a quick update for you on the level control. I've decided that having to refresh the trend line just isn't really going to cut it, and I think it was creating confusion with some customers. So I've done a bit of development work, and I've now managed to remove that requirement from the actual usage of the system. So now you can make adjustments to levels, and when you just click anywhere on the interface, the levels are updated dynamically. So that stop loss level you noticed went from 120 to 74. If I move it back out again somewhere else a bit deeper and then click on the chart, it's 103. I'm doing this right at the start of the GMT session on the euro dollar. Market is pretty quiet at the moment, so there's not much tick data around, which is a good thing, because I think some customers are trading in the EST sessions where volatility or flow isn't that great. So it's important to be aware of the tick data, because that drives everything, in the same way that every EA is driven by tick data. Right, so if we want to move our take profit levels, we've got two take profit levels set here. Again, we can move them in the conventional way using the interface to whatever levels we want. Press the save button and then wait for tick data, and then the levels will be adjusted. Or this TP1 level at the moment is at 57 pips. So if I move it closer into the trend line, wait for the tick data to intersect, the intercept will change as soon as we get tick data, so that's now acknowledged within the EA. Now if I go back into the profit control, you can see that's now been updated to 38 pips. So we're getting dynamic adjustment between level changes in the interface. Go back to say 60. There we go, tick data came in, moved it to 60, and then I can obviously go back down, or go wherever. Let's go to somewhere a bit higher, say wherever that it might be. Again, wait for tick data, wait for the intercept to join, profit control, and that's moved it to 89. So we're getting dynamic level adjustment. I still haven't adjusted or amended this situation where if you make a keyboard edit to one of these levels, so let's change this back to 60 using the keyboard. If you don't press enter and you just click save, the change won't be reflected. And I think that's maybe an area where some people have got a bit confused. Notice the red comment down here in the interface, hit enter to commit values if entered using keystrokes. So if I put 60 in and then press enter, then press save, it commits the value and moves the level. So again, I will try to find a way to either disable keyboard editing, which I think would be a shame, because I think it's nice to be able to just, you don't want to have to use the scroll wheel to move down a lot. If you're doing long-term position trading and you've got a massive TP level set at several hundred pips or something, you don't want to be scrolling through hundreds of pips. So I think having the keyboard edit is important, but you just got to remember to hit enter when you actually make the changes, otherwise they won't be reflected. So once again, made the changes, waiting for tick data to come in, slow market, and there you go. So I will package this up and send an email to everybody. If you wanted to take this new version, then you're more than welcome to, and hopefully that will give you a little bit of enhanced usability regarding level adjustment, both on chart and interface based. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.